How to log into your SoFi Bank account on a new device. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is make sure that you are logged out of your account on your old device. Then from there, all you need to do is from your new phone, you'll need to install SoFi Invest and Simple from your App Store or Play Store, and then you can simply open the application. So after opening the application here, there's no complicated process further. All you need to do is tap on login right here. Then you can either continue with any of those platforms like your Facebook account or your Google ID if you have logged in through them. If you have signed up your account through them, or else you can simply write in the email address and the password of your account. And after doing that, all you need to do is tap on login, and just like that, you'll be logged into your account, right? So in here, let's just say somehow you have forgotten your password, then you can also simply tap on the option forgot password right here, and all you need to do is add in your email address, then tap on submit email, and go along with the process of how you'll be able to reset your password of your SoFi account, and just like that, you'll be logged into your account. So if you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below.